All right, here we are at room 934 at the Waldorf Astoria. This is a suite. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so this is the Waldorf Astoria Orlando, or better said, Disney World. We are on Disney property. You can actually see out the view here. We'll be able to see Pop Century and Art of Animation, Caribbean Beaches right there, Riviera, Epcot's just across, and Hollywood Studios. Fantastic location. They've got another hotel next door. It's the Signia by Hilton. It's much larger. The Waldorf is a little bit smaller. They have a golf course, so if golf is your thing, it's right outside. All right, let's take a look around. This is the little kitchenette area. They've got a table here with 4 chairs. There is little snacks in here. Down below is just another drawer. Here is the full wet bar, and it is full of drinks, as you can see. Then they've got the sink, an espresso, and then here is a fridge also. So you've got the wet bar fridge, and you've got, or the, what do they call it, a mini bar fridge. And you've got the refrigerator here. A couple of bottles of water, a bottle opener, wine opener, and an ice bucket there. Here we've got a couple of closets. Got one closet here, and another closet here. And in this closet, you've got a luggage valet, you've got your pillows and blanket, you've got an ironing board, and there is an umbrella also. Really awesome. All right, let's take a look at the living room now. So now in the living room, we've got a nice sized television with a table underneath. There is an ottoman that pulls out from under for an extra seat. There is a nice sized sofa and a couple of chairs. I do suspect that sofa pulls out to make a sofa bed, and it does. Yep, some really good artwork on the walls, tables on each side, really large, plenty of room, nice sized lamps. We've got a really large window here. We'll take a look outside in a moment, and there is the door out to the balcony. On this side of the living room is the door to the adjoining room, so it's just a standard room next door, but if you needed more space, you can get that room too, and it'll give you more room. All right, let's take a look at this bedroom. It is beautiful. There is a king size bed. There are nightstands on each side. Each nightstand has an electrical outlet, USB-C and USB. Over here, we've got a chair. We've got a nice floor lamp, another really large television, and a set of drawers. Let's take a look at the closet. So here is the closet for the bedroom. You've got another luggage valet in here. You do have a couple of robes with the Waldorf Astoria logo on them. And that's about it. Oh, there is a full-length mirror here also. Really nice. Okay, now the bathroom. The bathroom is amazing. We've got a really nice sized vanity with plenty of space here. On the vanity, you've got some amenities there. There are cotton balls and Q-tips. There is a shower cap, shaving kit, dental kit, some scope, mouthwash. There is over on the other side, it's hand soap and lotion, tissues, plenty of towels. We've got more towels down on the bottom. Over here, we've got a huge shower, and we've got a nice bathtub. This shower is huge. Let's go in and take a look at it. Got a nice wand there, shower head. Look at this. Got plenty of room to walk around as you take a shower. Enormous. I love this. Let's take a look outside. This balcony is huge. It's beautiful. It's got a great view. Let's go look. So here we go. You've got 2 really nice chairs, really large balcony. We're on the 9th floor here. Across the way is the Gaylord Hotel. This is the driving range for the Waldorf Astoria golf course. More of the golf course there. And over on the side over here, you can see Pop Century and Art of Animation in the distance. Caribbean Beaches right over there, Riviera also. In the distance, we should have Epcot and Hollywood Studios. All right, let's talk price. So just like any hotel, prices are gonna vary from the time of year, how many nights you're staying, weekday, weekends, all of that. But you are on Disney property. I mean, we are right next to Riviera, Caribbean Beach, all of those hotels. You've got transportation to all the Disney parks in the Waldorf Astoria bus. It is a beautiful hotel. So what I can tell you is that in May, right now, this time of year, On a weekend, it's going to be somewhere in the $650 to maybe $850, $900 range, depending on when you're staying. Again, weekends are probably going to be more expensive than weekdays, but who knows? It is a tourist hotel, so it could be just as expensive during the week. So you tell me, would you stay at the Waldorf Astoria rather than the Grand Floridian or the Riviera or any of the other beautiful Disney properties? I don't know. Maybe. It is beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you enjoyed this room tour, I've got a full property tour also on my channel. It's going to be either linked here or here or here or here somewhere. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe, like, share it. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you next time.